people, today we are making circuits. We have all the parts right here, yeah. So let's get parting them.
We need to add this one and this one together, and then the light goes on, and then you attach them together. Voila.
So first of all, we're gonna grab this wire. Don't get in here. And then we're gonna grab this switch and populate this and this like so.
Oh, no.
And then we're gonna grab another red one. So just to even out the colours, guys. Then we're gonna operate our switch like so. Oh, no, what this one?
It didn't work.
It used to.
Why isn't it working?
Right, so we might have to wiggle the wires again.
Kind of.
It don't work. Hold up, let's just change the order of these wires, yeah. Trust the process. Hold up. Let me just do some problem solving. Yes, out. You're not ruining this. We're not going to the switches, guys. Yeah. I am doing science.
Yeah, mad science.
We're in the whole. No. Okay, guys, we have reached the limit of the little batteries. We're gonna switch the order. See my little job there, sir? Right, I'm sorry, don't do this. Wait, no, this has just messed up the whole order. I think we're shoving random wires. Wait! Oh, guys, we got light! We got light! Oh! Oh, we got light!
Keep stretching you.
Thank you for coming to my lesson how to make circuits. Bye.